ang importante kasi dito, in a time na wala tayong halos palagi tayong natatalo sa Japan at sa mga Hapon, in time like this na puro panglalait ang inaabot ng mga boxer natin kapag pupunta ng Japan at natatalo, meron po tayong Kenneth Luber na pumunta doon sa kanilang hometown at tinalo yung Hapon. Not once, but twice. And that's via stoppage in the first round. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Yung narrative kasi ngayon, di ba? Makikita naman natin, wag tayo magano, di ba? Boy Gapang, Boy Luhod, puro ganun na sinasabi.
Yeah.
Amidst ng mga ganito na mga criticism ngayon sa mga fighter, meron tayong Kenneth Luber na, teka, hindi lahat ng Pilipino pupunta sa Japan ay patalo or pakain or whatever kung anong sinasabi nila. Ito yung Kenneth Luber, pumunta dito, back-to-back, nanalo via stoppage in the first round.
Yeah, and I totally agree with you, and that's why we're here in this position after the first round knockout in Japan. We're here, and Kenneth Luber is now working with a Japanese promoter, co-promoting with Jerry Pence itong Kameda. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, 315 Lushbomu Promotions. They're coming here, and they signed Kenneth Luber. They obviously must have seen something in Kenneth. Yeah.
Yun na nga. Good thing that you mentioned that. I almost forgot. Kasi sinabi natin kanina yung ratings panel ng The Ring, di ba? Okay, nakitaan nila ng promise, they put it in the top 10. Other than that, itong mga international handlers na ba to? Ano ba to? Madali lang bang utuin to? Bilugin ang ulo? I would like to think na alam naman nila yung nakikita nila. Alam nila, titignan nila. Kasi publicly speaking, ang naglaban-laban sa Japan, merong Ohashi, di ba? Merong Kameda, meron yung kay Masayuki Ito, Treasure Boxing Promotion.
Yes.
Ewan ko kung nakikita sa'yo ni Jerry, pero bukod doon sa tatlo, meron pa mga iba na mga...
Yung totoo ba yung ano, kasi nasa social media si Eddie Herndo at saka si Oscar De La Hoya eh.
Hindi na ako mag-ano, pero ako nakita ko, may mga offer, may mga international boxing heads na interesado sa kanya. So, ako naman, di ba, like I said, forget about you and me. Sige, sabihin na natin yung paano. Sige, kalimutan mo na rin yung mga panelists na yan na very objective sa The Ring. How about these international boxing heads na nakakita siya ng potential and at one point, naglaban-laban para mako-promote yung bata?
Right. And mukhang kinabahan na yata mga Hapon at sa halip na pupunta si Kenneth Luber sa Japan. Dito na magaganap ang laban sa Pilipinas. And this time, hindi Japanese ang mga kalaban niya. Ang pupunta na Japanese, yung promoter. So I heard. Yes, yun ang... Nako, baka may mga iba pang announcement na mangyari dito Anyway, kaya kailangan manood kayo doon sa venue. Ang mga kalaban niya, and we will talk about Kenneth Luber, about him, anong klaseng boksingero ito. I mean, nakita natin yung bata, how he have grown. I think a lot of still potential. He's coming in to fight right now a two-time champion. I think two-division champion yata itong Luis Concepcion. I think also the most experienced. Sabi ko kay Sir Jerry, JM, Sir Jerry, kala ko ba tune-up. Pero parang yung tune-up na nangyayari, parang medyo mahirap yata ito.
Bigat ng binigay.
Parang ang bigat naman kung ganun. Kasi alam ko may mga plano kayong ganito. What do you think about this fight? Is it reaching too far? Baka madisgrasya or kaya ba? What's the expectation?
I actually agree with you and napag-usapan namin to ni Jerry. Easily, Luis Concepcion is the most decorated, is most prominent opponent yet to date, no? He's being put in this position na ang balak kasi talaga dyan, 3 fight ba or 4 fight deal? Sorry, I tend to get bad with numbers. In a span of 18-24 months, ang balak dyan kasi talaga ng Kameda, ilaban ng world title fight. Actually, ayun yung nilalaban ni Jerry Kung sino ang makakapaglatag ng path to a world title fight for my boxer, ayun ang ko, and it was Kameda who laid down a plan kung paano nila yung gagawin. So, Kameda won the Luber sweepstakes, di ba? So, ngayon, bakit si Luis Concepcion? You know what, hindi ko alam exactly kung ano naisip dito nila Jerry. Diba? But I think it's just really a good test, and it's about time that he takes on a name that is familiar, maybe not to casual fans, but to the boxing fans around the world. I think it's a good test, and I think it's going to be a good fight for as long as it lasts. Kasi when it comes to experience, World Championship experience, number of fights, 'di ba? Talagang ahead to kay Kenneth. So, ito, may ilalabas ito no matter what na most probably hindi pa nakikita nung Kenneth Lubero sa kanyang career. And I think that's a good test. I think it's a good test. And this being a 10-rounder, sapat na sapat lang para sa mga plano for Kenneth Lubero moving forward. So I think he's, a good opponent to test him. Andito ka na sa number 10, you've won back-to-back sa Japan. Okay, let's put you in there with someone na, may World Championship experience, hindi lang ng isang division, kundi two-weight division. Let's bring him here and then let's test you out. By the way, hindi to, base sa mga narinig namin, ensayado ito at